Chelsea are ready to step in if Manchester United follow through with their plan to sack Cristiano Ronaldo. The Blues are back in the hunt for Ronaldo after an inconsistent start to the season under the ownership of Todd Boehly. And if United's lawyers give the club the go-ahead to sack the former Sporting Lisbon, Real Madrid and Juventus star, then he will become a free agent. That would leave them powerless to prevent him moving to Stamford Bridge. United do not want Ronaldo to join a club they view as rivals for a top 4 place, and are facing an agonizing catch-22 situation. The club are taking legal advice on whether they can sack the 37-year-old Portuguese striker, following his astonishing TV outburst lambasting the club. But their stance before Ronaldo appeared on Piers Morgan Uncensored last weekend was that they would allow the 5-time Ballon d'Or winner to leave Old Trafford in January, on the understanding that he didn't join a Premier League rival. Sporting Lisbon were hopeful of convincing Ronaldo to rejoin them until they were dumped out of the Champions League. That offered United the ideal solution to a problem that manager Erik ten Hag wanted solving, even before Ronaldo blasted the Dutchman in the unauthorized interview. Ronaldo's criticisms have given them a problem they didn't foresee. United want to save on the £500,000 a week wages they agreed to pay Ronaldo when he returned to Old Trafford in the summer of 2021. There are also suggestions that the Reds could launch a lawsuit against Ronaldo by claiming his interview has damaged the club's reputation and caused significant financial loss. Mike Tremer, employment partner at law firm Flagate, believes United have got a strong case to sack Ronaldo, but insists a claim for damages would not be as compelling. He believes any civil suit put before a court would put the so-called Agatha Christie trial involving Wags Colleen Rooney and Rebecca Vardy in the shade. Tremer said, most legal commentators now agree that United would be entitled to terminate Ronaldo's contract following his recent behaviors, including his provocative interview with Piers Morgan. However, few would have predicted that they would go further and allege that his conduct has caused the club financial loss that they are entitled to recover from him. Employers pursuing such claims against employees is very rare, because it is usually very difficult to prove that a financial loss has been suffered, and to directly link that loss to the employee's actions. In most cases, the high legal costs to be incurred coupled with the employee's likely inability to pay any substantial damages will deter employees considering such a claim. But Ronaldo clearly has the means to pay up if United were to be successful. It is likely that the club will also be considering if third parties have encouraged Ronaldo to breach his contractual obligations, in which case they can also be pursued for the loss suffered. No doubt that was considered carefully by Morgan and Talk TV before they broadcast the interview. If any claim is pursued, the media attention and publicity is likely to considerably overshadow that received by the Agatha Christie trial earlier this year.